Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Matisse Platform Sandals on the market. The Beach by Matisse Women's Del Mar Platform Athletic Casual Sandals. These sandals blend effortless beach style with everyday comfort, making them a must-have for your warm weather wardrobe. The Del Mar Platform Sandal is designed with a charming all-over braided raffia upper that instantly brings a coastal vibe to your outfit. This woven raffia detail gives the sandal a unique texture and a natural, earthy look that's perfect for casual days at the beach or poolside. It features a thick single band across the foot, which provides a secure fit while maintaining a sleek and simple silhouette. Slip these on, and you'll notice the round toe design offers ample space for your feet, allowing natural movement without constriction. Comfort is a priority here, with a padded footbed that cushions your feet throughout the day. Whether you're strolling on the boardwalk or running errands, these sandals are made to keep your feet feeling good without sacrificing style. One of the standout features of the Del Mar sandals is the espadrille platform midsole. At 1.5 inches high, the platform adds a flattering lift without the discomfort often associated with heels. The platform design means your foot stays flat and balanced, making it easier to walk longer distances with stability. The sole is made from man-made materials, designed to be durable while offering good traction so you don't slip on smooth surfaces. In terms of versatility, these sandals are incredibly easy to pair with your summer wardrobe. The natural color complements everything from shorts and sundresses to jeans and casual skirts. The design strikes a perfect balance, casual enough for everyday wear, yet stylish enough to dress up for a summer outing or vacation look. The Del Mar Platform Sandals are also imported, reflecting a quality that you can trust. The outer synthetic material combined with the raffia upper ensures they hold their shape and style even after repeated wear. They're lightweight, which means you won't feel weighed down even when you're on your feet all day. These sandals come in a range of sizes from 6 to 10, so finding your perfect fit should be straightforward. While they are slip-on style, the snug fit of the thick band helps keep the sandal securely on your foot without the need for buckles or straps. In summary, the Beach by Matisse Del Mar Platform Sandals offer a beautiful blend of beach-ready style and everyday comfort. Their woven raffia design, cushioned footbed, and balanced espadrille platform make them an ideal choice for anyone looking to elevate their casual summer shoe game. Whether you're heading to a sunny vacation spot or just want to add a touch of effortless style to your day, these sandals have got you covered. If you're interested in a sandal that offers both fashion and function without breaking the bank, the Del Mar platform is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.